Welcome back,
Hello,
mga Kajoy,
Damosa,
and
and of
course,
hello to
OP360
OP360 in Davao.
Hi guys, welcome to Joy of the World. And welcome back, mga Kajoy, and hello to Damosa IT Park. And yes, we are here at the Concentrix building, but we are going towards the back building, or the Topaz building, as we are searching for the newest BPO company in the city, which is the OP360. And let's go to their open house. Yes, mga Kajoy, we are going to locate their office. Temporarily, they are at the 4th floor and they are open for their hiring.
We are OP360!
This is the common space. We're gonna convert this to like a recreational area. We'll have pool tables, foosball siguro. Oo. Ping pong.
Actually, perfect for that.
Hindi pa yan.
And actually, this is the 5th floor, or this is occupied by the SGV, and this will be occupied soon by OP360. And here, the CEO, Sir Ben. And let's take a look of their future office, and here we are going to check it out. This office can accommodate more than 200 employees per shift, and yes, some employees can opt for a physical office or can also do some work from home setup. And we are going towards a filing room, but according to Sir Ben, they are going to be paperless, and so this will be used for an office room. And here we are, to the pantry. Yes, one of the favorites. This office is really spacious and cozy, and I guess a lot of Davaoenos will really enjoy to work in here because this is an opportunity from OP360 to give some employment. Also, there's a gym and a shower room in this office. Enjoy! And so if you are interested, you can locate OP360 at the Damosa IT Park. And by the way, they have slots for working students. And so, thank you for watching. Until next time, mga Kajoy. Goodbye!
Bring the funk back.